Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to nest clips in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with adding our files. So we can either drag and drop our videos directly from our folder right here, or we can just go to the file option right here, click import, and start adding the media we want to use. After adding your media right here guys, the videos are going to appear and we can get started with dragging them into our timeline right here, as I have already done. And after dragging them, you can go ahead and find them here and we can get started with editing. So guys, let's go and see how to nest multiple clips together so that we can edit them together. Basically guys, what we're going to do is go to the timeline right here and select the clips that we want to nest. So I'm going to select these two clips right here, and after selecting them guys, now we can go ahead and right click on one of them. After right clicking guys, you can see this is going to open up all the options that we have, and as you can see here, we can go ahead and find it in the media pool. So what we're going to do is go to the edit option right here and click on edit. And after clicking on edit guys, this is now going to open up our clips right here in our timeline by in the edit options. So now once you right click on the videos right here, it's going to open up this new menu of all the options that we have. And guys, as you can see, one of the options is called new compound clip. So guys, what we can do is go ahead and click on new to create a new compound clip. As you can see, here's our compound clip, how we want to name it. After that, we can click create, and now it's going to create a compound clip that once we add it and add effects to, it's going to add to both clips as they are now nested together. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.